Well, hello world. It's almost 6 p.m. and me and my daughter took a 4-hour nap. Oh my goodness. I'm not even upset because if y'all know, being a toddler mom is exhausting. When you get those long naps, oh my goodness, you wake up so confused because you were in such a deep sleep and you're just so thankful that you got to sleep so well. But let me tell you what I really made this video about. I want to tell you how to make money right off your phone. I want to tell you exactly how you can stop struggling financially while also having a lot of time with your family. So if you don't know me, my name's Emily. I'm 22 years old. I'm a stay-at-home mama who started online digital marketing 10 months ago. I have now made 5 figures and I'd love to teach others how to do this as well. It's a simple process. It takes consistency, but once you show up consistently on the internet and you share your story, you let people know who you are, the income follows you. I want to teach you how to do this, and if you want to learn more, all you need to do is comment yes down below so I can give you the information.